Hello again. I'm not sure what exactly the problem is. I've been trying to find a leak, and now I'm going to use this bowl of water. I use this small one, this container, which I use for various purposes. I've used it to trace leaks when I was in Kherson, or no, Nikolaev, I think. Nikolaev or Kherson. And this time I didn't find it. I thought it was the valve core. I replaced that because it leaked air when this was not fully screwed on, the sort of thing that you rotate to fix it. And it shouldn't be necessary. So I took a different core. It didn't show leaking, but still the tire is leaking. So there may be multiple things going on. A very tiny leak, plus the valve core was not okay anymore. So I've tried a lot of the tire levers. So these are the blue ones here on the left are Schwalbe, the black ones are Polisport, and the yellow ones are Continental. And these are the Park Tool TL4.2. And these, yeah, you need two, you need three. You need three. And it's hard to get one underneath. You can take one out. You need to keep this, take one out, then see. Can I put it in here? Yeah, it's difficult. It's much better if you have three. So for this reason already, I would say Park Tool is not recommended. It's stupid. They work actually quite well. Better than the Schwalbes. The Schwalbes don't work well at all with these tires. And they don't stick. They don't stay in the tube. Between the rim and the tire. When you try to pull one out with other tires, it worked well when I tried this in the Netherlands, but with these, absolutely not. The ones that I lost were a copy of old tire levers from Specialized Pry Babies, they were called. I don't know when I bought them, but they were introduced, I think, somewhere early or mid 1990s. And I don't know up to which time they were made. But in any case, they work really well. They worked well with the Schwalbe Marathon. They worked well with these Schwalbe G1 Overland. With every tire I tried, they worked, and every rim combination, they worked well. These worked well with some combinations. And note this has, as most of these tire levers, a sort of lever rotation point, as I call it on my website, which I recommended for tire levers. And every one of these has this, except the Continental, and the Continental works the best. It's weird. So this means that you can easily keep it in place and rotate the tire across the rim. And yeah, these don't work well either. I think it's just an issue of this section not being long enough. You want it a bit longer for more leverage and also to stay in position when you are pulling one tire lever, such to pull the tire over the rim edge. Then the other should stay put. And so with the Schwalbe, it definitely doesn't work. With the Continental, it works. These, yeah, it seems to work fairly well, but you need three. So this is not recommended for that purpose alone. I'd need to buy another set to check out how well the design in general works, and I'm not going to do that. I mean, this is just stupid. Three is the standard. Just supply three, you idiots at Park Tool. Okay, I'm going to try these one more time, Polisport. But it probably won't change anything. These are, by the way, the one new valve core and one old one. The old one, you can see that the rubber, where is it? Here, has been deformed a bit on the bottom one. but it also leaked out some air at the top, so unless you screwed it tightly quite a bit. This, by the way, I wanted to say, yeah, that's something that you can use for multiple purposes. It's good for traveling. It's microwave resistant. I bought this years ago in Ukraine. So what I use it for is, for example, to transport butter. Do not let it get messy. If you buy some and you go to another city, put it in there. Other foodstuffs or candies, perhaps you can put anything in there, obviously. But you can also use it to heat up soy milk or milk, and then with oats, for example, in a microwave, if you have access to a microwave, which here I do have, and in some apartments you have them, or apartments you usually have them, depends on what you rent. Apartment, or go to a hotel or sort of hotel. This is more like a sort of hotel. Not quite as a normal hotel, but yeah, I can put my bike here inside. It's nice here in Kremenchuk. So these are the ones that I like most of all, together with a specialized pry-babes and or a keep, as the Italian copy was called. So maybe they bought the rights to use the design from Specialized. I have no idea, but it's exactly the same. I think I showed it in one video. That's it for now. Bye.